All right, on this day in history, August 30th, 94 years ago, in 1930, Warren Edward Buffett was born. In the history of his success, it almost seemed preordained. The son of a U.S. congressman, Buffett exhibited an early and entrepreneurial spirit, starting multiple businesses, selling chewing gum, magazines, golf balls, pinball machines, all before he graduated high school. After completing his collegiate studies, though, Buffett went to work at his father's investment firm and later at a partnership run by famed financial analyst Benjamin Graham. By 1956, at just 25 years old, Buffett founded his own investment company and a year later met his future business partner, Charlie Munger. Within 6 years, Buffett was a millionaire. But it was in 1965 when Buffett made a purchase that would change his life, paying around $8 million to take control of an obscure textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. While the textile business itself was a dog, Buffett was able to pivot the business into insurance after buying National Indemnity 2 years later, creating a foundation for billions of dollars of future investments that would make him one of the richest people in the world. Those investments are vast and numerous. See's Candies, Ogilvy and Mather, The Washington Post, Cap Cities ABC, Coca-Cola, Gillette, Geico. I can go on. And that brings us to our question of the day. Buffett's biggest deal ever, what was it? Well, it might have also been his worst. In 2016, he purchased aerospace industry supplier Precision Castparts, a more than $36 billion deal, including debt, his biggest ever. But less than 5 years later, Berkshire was forced to write down that deal value by $11 billion. In fact, in his annual letter released in 2021, Buffett called that purchase a mistake, saying he paid too much for it, miscalculating the trends in the aerospace industry. Still, investors have been forgiving, and they have reason to be. Berkshire this week became the first U.S. company outside of the tech sector to surpass $1 trillion in market value. Its Class A shares have gained 31% so far in 2024, its best year in a decade, outpacing the S&P, outpacing the NASDAQ, even outpacing the red-hot Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. In fact, over the last 30 years, Berkshire Hathaway stock has provided investors with a total annual equivalent return of 13%, an average return that no major benchmark in the U.S. has matched.